I began working on BMW motorcycles in 1992. From Daytona to Deming, Milford to Manchester, I had my own shop for a long time too. But now I've retired from that retail craziness to a nice peaceful place in the woods where I still maintain those BMW motorcycle models that I know best. But I capture it all on video to create a virtual catalog of all of the knowledge I've gained in the past 25 years servicing these machines. A catalog of information from basic maintenance to control operation to how to operate the motorcycle itself. I want to share that knowledge with you, my viewers. That is my project. This is a project in the works. This is going to take some time. So please be patient. I hope you like what you see enough to come back again. Maybe you even like it enough to become a subscriber or a patron of this crazy project of mine. Thank you. I hope you see me again soon.